Hey everyone, today we are going to take a look at the delivery person section in Ordering One. This is where you can add and manage the delivery staff for handling your orders. First, click the Add Delivery Person button, then ask the delivery person to scan the QR code shown on the screen. Once scanned, to send/reset to the bot to initialize the connection. Then you can receive the session create message again to start. Next, enter the delivery person's WhatsApp number. Once you enter, click the send OTP. The delivery person can receive the OTP number. After that, paste the OTP received and the delivery person will be successfully added. Then click the verify button. The delivery person verified and successfully added. Here you can see. And the delivery person also can receive. You have been verified as a delivery person. You can now start receiving delivery assignments message. When a new delivery order is placed, the delivery person will be assigned. Now, let's take a new order. But the thing is, you can't place the order through the delivery person's WhatsApp number. You have to take a new order for the another WhatsApp number. Yeah, I'm going to choose the delivery option. I'm going to type my address. Here you can see the new order is placed. Once the order is ready, the delivery person can scan the QR again if you are required to access the order detail. They will receive a message on WhatsApp with the delivery details, including where the order needs to be delivered. Here, the delivery person can receive where the order needs to be delivered. Delivering the order, the delivery person can confirm the order directly through the WhatsApp by clicking the confirm delivered. Here you can receive the order detail is out of the delivery. Once confirmed, the order status will be updated as delivered in the system. If you need to remove the delivery person, you can click the trash button here and then remove. The person can receive the message you have been removed as a delivery person. You will no longer receive delivery assignments. And that's how you can add delivery person and manage deliveries in OrderinWhats. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.